so glad to see you today. I bet that I know why you're here. It's Felt Friday. I hope that you're as excited to watch our Felt story as I am. But before our story starts, I'd really like to sing her hello song. Singing is one of my favorite things to do. Will you sing our song along with me? You will? Great! If you don't know the words, that's okay. Listen this time, and maybe you can sing along the next time. Are you all set? Okay, let's go. Now it's time to say hello, say hello, say hello. Now it's time to say hello, hello everyone. Now it's time to wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Now it's time to wave hello, hello everyone. Wow, that was such wonderful singing. Thanks so much for singing with me. Well, it's time for our Felt story to start. I hope that you like it. I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Five birds, all sparkling red, sat on a snowman's head, eating some most delicious seed. Snowman, he shouted, "Shoo!" One bird, away he flew. Now there are four red sparkling birds. Four birds, all sparkling red, sat on a snowman's head, eating some most delicious seed. Snowman, he shouted, "Shoo!" One bird, away he flew. Now there are three red sparkling birds. Three birds, all sparkling red, sat on a snowman's head, eating some most delicious seed. Snowman, he shouted, "Shoo!" One bird, away he flew. Now there are two red sparkling birds. Two birds, all sparkling red, sat on a snowman's head, eating some most delicious seed. Snowman, he shouted, "Shoo!" One bird, away he flew. Now there is one red sparkling bird. One bird, all sparkling red, sat on a snowman's head, eating some most delicious seed. Snowman, he shouted, "Shoo!" Away the bird flew. Now there are no red sparkling birds.